Good morning, grade 11 students. Welcome to our lesson 4.4 General Annuity. And today I am going to record our lesson. We'll start with memory verse. Our memory verse is found in Luke 19 verse 23. It says, Why then did you not put my money in the bank, and at my coming I might have collected it with interest? Let's try to look at our MVCA boosters. The parable of 10 minas. A mina refers to the money equivalent to a laborer's salary for 3 months. Read the parable of the 10 minas in Luke 19 verses 11 to 27. Write 2 business lessons that you have learned in the parable. So, your assignment is to read the parable of the 10 minas. Okay, so today we're going straight to our targets. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to find the future value and present value of a general annuity. So let's try to dig in. What's a general annuity? A type of annuity when the compounding period is not equal to the payment interval. Example, your loan is compounded monthly and you will pay once a year. Your loan is compounded semi-annually and you will pay monthly. So, there are 2 types of general annuity. The first one is general ordinary annuity, a type of annuity when the compounding period is not equal to the payment interval and payment is given at the end of the payment interval. Next, general annuity due, a type of annuity when the compounding period is not equal to the payment interval and payment is given at the start of the payment interval. So, we can see that the difference of this one is that general ordinary annuity, the payment is given at the end of the payment interval, and general annuity due, the payment is given at the start of the payment interval. So, what are the formulas for this general annuities? So, first, we have the formulas for the future value of general ordinary annuity and the future value of general annuity due. So, as you can see, these are the following formulas. Okay? And this one. So, let's try to know the parts of the formula. First, the VFV means the future value. The P means the periodic payment. The R is the interest rate. The N, compounding period or the frequency of conversion. This one. And then the T is the time in years. The same as with the parts of the future value of general annuity due formula. Okay. Our B also, we have our B as you can see. Okay. B stands for the number of months in the payment interval, divide it by the number of months in the compounding period. So we have also formulas for the present value of general ordinary annuity and present value for general annuity due. So here are the following formulas. Let's master the formulas as you can see. And the following are the parts of the formulas. The PV, this one, stands for present value. The P, the periodic payment. The R, interest rate. The N, compounding period or frequency of conversion. And the same as the formula for the present value of general annuity due. And of course, we have the time in years, the T, and the B, the number of months in the payment interval divided by the number of months in the compounding period. We also have the formula for regular payment of general annuity given the present value. Okay, and the regular payment of general annuity given the future value. So here are the parts of the formulas. Now, we have already mastered the steps in solving an annuity problem. Okay, so we are going to follow the steps 1 to 4 again. Step 1, determine the given details. Step 2, identify the type of annuity illustrated. Step 3, identify the formula to be used. And step 4, substitute the given details in the formula. So, we're going to proceed to some problem examples.